The HPROMOT STEM Robot Kit is a versatile educational tool that allows kids to build 5 unique models from over 600 pieces, encouraging creativity and engineering skills. This kit is a perfect gift for children aged 8 to 16, combining fun with educational value to enhance cognitive development and problem-solving abilities. With dual remote control modes, including remote and app options, children can enjoy interactive play with various movement capabilities, ensuring hours of entertainment. The detailed instruction manual simplifies the assembly process, making it easy for kids to construct and reconstruct different models, promoting hands-on learning and family bonding. HPROMOT ensures quality with rigorous testing and provides excellent customer support, ready to assist with any queries within 24 hours. The product's design is not only educational, but also encourages kids to stay active and engaged, reducing screen time while fostering a love for learning.